In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Apple Pay through your Stripe account. This is a simple yet powerful way to provide your customers with a seamless payment experience. First, let's get started by navigating to Stripe's website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing Stripe into your search bar, or by simply typing stripe.com directly into the address bar and hitting enter. Once you're on the Stripe homepage, it's essential to make sure you are logged into your account. So if you haven't done that yet, go ahead and sign in using your credentials. After successfully logging in, you'll be taken to your Stripe dashboard. Here, we want to proceed to the settings. You can find this option easily by looking for a gear or cog icon, often located towards the bottom left side of the dashboard interface. By clicking on Settings, you'll be brought to a new menu where a variety of options for customizing your Stripe account are displayed. Our primary focus now is to set up payment methods, particularly Apple Pay. So from the Settings menu, please select Payments. This section is particularly crucial because it allows you to manage how you receive money from your customers. In the Payments section, you'll find different tabs or segments dedicated to managing various payment options. What we are interested in is the Payment Methods area. Scroll down through the Payment Methods options until you find Apple Pay. Stripe supports a wide range of payment solutions, and Apple Pay is a fantastic option because it's widely used and offers a layer of security that many consumers trust. Enabling it can therefore highly benefit your business by potentially boosting your transaction rate, as it reduces the payment friction, particularly for users of Apple devices. Once you locate Apple Pay, look for any toggle switch or button that says Turn On or Enable. Click this to turn on Apple Pay for your account. This action might require you to verify some information or agree to additional terms, but these steps are usually straightforward and are there to ensure compliance and security. And just like that, you're done. After turning on Apple Pay, it should be fully functional, giving your customers a quick and secure checkout option. If you follow these steps, your account will now accept payments through Apple Pay, making it easier for Apple users to complete transactions effortlessly, improving their shopping experience and potentially leading to increased sales for your platform. Remember, any adjustments or further customizations to payment settings can always be done by revisiting the Payment section in the Settings menu of your Stripe dashboard. And that's it for today's guide. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful in integrating Apple Pay into your Stripe account.